looking and looking and looking. I don't think it could get better than this. Look at that! Look at that! Woo! This is our setup. We're in a freaking ghost town. It's a pretty cool little town. We'll go explore and show you guys in a bit. I'll be laying in a hammock though. We were looking and looking and looking and looking for the perfect shot that we're about to take. And I don't think it could get better than this. Look at that! Look at that! So it's been a whole fucking day, I guess, right? Since I vlogged.
Right, we already started on the wrong foot of the bed, the truck, I mean.
To catch you guys up, that spot we were at yesterday apparently was private property. Got kicked out, and all the spots around here were taken. So half of our crew decided to split back home, and it's just us three now. What's up, Yogi?
What up, Dad? What is it? Captain Donaloy.
Fucking crashed in the truck yesterday. As you can see, there's a fucking mess in here. We were trying to go to Ice Lakes, but the road was a little too rough for Denise. She fucking needs new tires. Needs an oil change.
You want to sponsor us? Drop contact information. Try your tires, your fucking oil, whatever. Preferably off-roading tires.
Off-roading so shit, yeah. So we can do this more comfortably.
Do that trail, yeah.
Anyway. We're gonna go to the national forest. We're gonna set up shop, make us some breakfast. Chef Eloy with the hottest pancakes in the valley, bruh.
Oh, bro. That is gonna be a complete disaster, to be honest.
To be honest, I was a little scared, but
we fucking made it work with the fucking minimal fucking tools.
Yeah, we don't got a fucking spatula. Like I said, we got down to 2 people, and half of the crew took half of the supplies, but we still made it work. Hottest pancakes in the valley. By the way, yeah, we're in a fucking big ass valley. Just out here wild, and there's like some. Should I show it? Should I go show it? I'm not sure what it is. Maybe somebody can tell me. Tell me what's really going on. So there's all these trees, right? Branches and shit piled up, and in the middle there's a little box. If anybody knows what could potentially be in that little box, let us know. I ain't gonna get it. I'm good on all that. It looks like some sort of like ritual. I don't know. If you guys know, let me know. After this, we might hammocking somewhere around here. I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. It's fucking hot now. So we just got done eating breakfast in the valley.
We have bacon, pancakes,
the hottest fucking eggs. Pancakes in the fucking valley. Brought to you in part by Don El Wow. Oh, fuck. But we're on to our next adventure. Let's see what the hell happens. I'm not even sure yet. So, you guys stay tuned, my dudes. Stay tuned.